We will be doing a sound test of this Mi portable Bluetooth speaker in this video now. Hi guys, great day, this is Ryan. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification icon so you will be updated every time we upload. And today, we are doing a sound test of this Mi portable Bluetooth speaker. By the way, for the unboxing of this, why don't you just check out my previous video. So alright, all the sounds that you're about to hear is unfiltered and straight from the microphone of my phone. Alright, so we're gonna start, and of course we have here our trusted no copyright upbeat music right here. So we're gonna find and look for one. Alright, so there you go. Now we're testing this. Let's do this.
Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
Alright, now tell me what you think about this on the comment section. And that's it, the Mi portable Bluetooth speaker sound test right here on this channel. Anyway guys, watch out for the comparison sound test with other Bluetooth speakers that we have here. Have a great day. See you on the next one. Bye.